Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you grammar. Already we have started this chapter. There are some exercises there. What is the topic name? Syllable. What is the topic name? Syllable. What do you mean by syllable? Syllable means what? Last class I taught you that. What is that? Syllable means is a unit of pronunciation. Syllable means is a unit of pronunciation. For example, if you are pronouncing one word, okay, any word, got, tree, bakery, cake, or any word if you are pronouncing. So in that word you have a unit. Okay. Some word you have two syllable in a word. Some word it has three. Some word more than three. Okay. So the grammarian they form the rules and regulation. They split the word into, split means how to pronounce the word. Okay. Part like that. Okay. So they are splitting the words into what is it, different section, okay, parts. A syllable is a unit of pronunciation. Every word is made up of a minimum of one syllable. So each word, for example, tree. So tree is at one syllable only. So got, cat, like that. I. So you have one syllable, one sound is there. So a syllable must contain a vowel sound. So always a syllable contain a vowel sound. Vowel sound means last class I taught you A, E, I, O, U, vowel sound. So the rest of the alphabetic A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. Rest of the letters we called it as a consonant sound. Okay, consonant sound. This is A, E, I, O, U, vowel sound. So in that syllable you have one vowel sound, and consonant sound is also in a word we can find out. So the structure of a syllable can be, a word can have one vowel sound, a word can have consonant with vowel sound, a word can have CVC, consonant, vowel and consonant. So there are so many structure is there. So last class I taught you monosyllabic. Monosyllabic means one what is that syllable. Bisyllabic means two. Tri means three. Polysyllabic means more than trisyllabic. Okay. So we have seen some examples also. So V denotes the vowel. Okay, V denotes the vowel and C denotes the consonant. So here they have given so many words they have given in the box. You have to find out how many syllables the words contain. Okay, so now we are going to see that only. Page number 44. First one, A. FLOWER. So they have given one box is there, isn't it? In that box we have to write how many syllables it has. The word as how many syllable. So here how to pronounce this word? Flower. Okay, flower, flower. Some may pronounce flower, but flower is the correct pronunciation. Flower. So flower it has two syllables. How many syllables? Two syllables. Two syllables. So when you are writing 2, 3 means syllables. S will come. S will come. Plural form. Okay. And then tune. You have to open your mouth and you have to practice this. Okay. Tune. How many syllable? One syllable. Okay. And then C. When you are pronouncing, you can able to identify how many syllables. Reduce. Okay, reduce. So how many syllables? Two syllables. And then A, B, C, D. Dangerous. I think this word is long pronunciation, isn't it? It has more letters in the word. How will you pronounce? Dangerous. Dangerous. So it has three syllables. Dangerous, it has three syllables. So all the videos are very important, whether it might be a grammar or lesson. Keep watching that. Don't miss any video. Okay. Dangerous. So dangerous is the three syllables. The unit of sound. Okay. Tune means when you are saying the word, you can identify that it has only one sound only. Tune. So one syllable. And then E. Serious. So this also, I think you have find the answer. Serious. Serious. So how many syllables? Three syllables. Three syllables. F. So in your book, the order is different. I'm putting A, B, C, D. That is different. Don't worry about that. You see that answer right correctly. Okay. E, F. How will you pronounce this word? How will you pronounce? Hour is the wrong pronunciation. Okay. Don't say hour. R. Okay. R is the correct pronunciation. So R is when you are saying that, you can know that one sound only it coming. Okay. That means one syllable. R. So for that, if you want to pronounce a word correctly, what you want to do? You have to open your mouth and you have to practice that. Then only the pronunciation will come correctly. Okay, for everyone. Okay, for me also. If you are not, I am not opening my mouth, I am not saying anything, nothing will come. Okay, we have to practice every day. We have to open and we have to read out what is it, loudly. Okay, your paragraph reading, lesson reading, anything, grammar, you have to at least one paragraph you must read daily. Then only the pronunciation will come and you will know how to pronounce the word. Okay. And then E, F, G. Ceremony. Ceremony. Okay, ceremony. This is long, little bit wrong pronunciation, isn't it? Ceremony. Ceremony. So you have how many syllables? It has 4 syllables. How many syllables? 4 syllables. Syllables means unit of pronunciation. Okay. 4 syllables. So 1 means here no S will come. So 2 or 3 means you have to put syllables. Okay. And then H. What the next word? Very easy. I think all you will find out the answer. U. How many syllables is there? U. Only one syllable. Okay. GH. And then last one I. How will you pronounce this word? Powerfully. 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 Okay. Powerfully. 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 Powerfully, how many syllables? 4 syllables. Okay. This word has 4 syllables. So, how many words we have studied? First one is flower. Okay, flower, flower, flower. How many syllables? 2 syllables is there. And next one is tune. You have pronouncing only one sound only. It's coming. Okay, it's not separating in tune. So it has 1 syllable. Syllable means what I told you. Unit of sound in a word. Okay, unit of sound in a word. Understand? Reduce, reduce, reduce. You can understand. Reduce. So it has 2 syllables. 1 syllable and 2 syllables we can easily identify. 3 or 4 only little difficult to identify that. But when you see the examples, you can able to understand that. Okay. And then dangerous. Dangerous is a long pronunciation. The word has many letters. Dangerous. Dangerous. No. Dangerous. Dangerous. So it has 3 syllables. And then serious. 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 Serious is, it has 3 syllables. And then R. 1 R, we are telling no, 1 R, 2 R, that is R is 1 syllable. And then sincerely. Sincerely. Sincerely, that is 3 syllables. And then next one is ceremony. Ceremony. Okay, ceremony, how many syllables? 4 syllables. And then you. You are telling only one sound is coming. You, 1 syllable. And then that ceremony and powerfully, it has 4 syllables. Powerfully. Powerfully. So it has 4 syllables. So some words are difficult to identify the syllables. But if you go through the examples, it's very easy only. So your duty is to page number 44. 43 and 44, take your after seeing the video, take your textbook and open that, and page number 43 you have to read out the monosyllabic, bisyllabic, trisyllabic and polysyllabic. Already I thought you don't miss the video. You have to see the video. Some students, you are not seeing the video and asking doubt. First you watch the video, okay, then you will understand the topic and then you can ask the doubts. and then examples, they everything beautifully given in your textbook. The thing is, you have to open the book and you have to read out that. And then how many syllables do this words they have asking. They have given the box, you have to fill the answer in that box. You have to write the syllables. Syllables means what I told you in a word, how unit of pronunciation, how you are separating and pronouncing the word. So the grammarian, they have given that how many syllables in a word, they are forming the rules and regulations. Okay, so I think you have understand this chapter. All of you copy this in your what is this textbook. If you have any doubt, I'll send you the what is it this answers in WhatsApp also. Copy this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'm willing to answer for your queries. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.